Welcome to Miss Matthews' Littlest Classroom, Teacher Edition. Today I'm going to show you how I build my Boom task cards from the ground up. This video will focus on building the task cards, like this one. Let's get started. The Boom task cards are going to need a background. I use PowerPoint, but you could use other design software or Google Slides. To get started, open PowerPoint. Create a new presentation, and from there, go to File, Page Setup. We're going to change the size of our slides. So for our width, we're going to put in 7 inches or 17.78 centimeters, and our height is going to be 5 inches or 12.7 centimeters, depending on what country you're in. Then click OK. Then select all and delete everything. First, I'm going to add in a background. To do this, I'm going to go to Design, click on Format Background, and then we're going to fill with a picture. Click Insert and navigate to where you have the file saved. Then click Apply to All. I'm going to be using this as a template, so then I can just duplicate it and then tweak it for the next bunch of cards I make. Next, we'll add a banner. Click on Shapes and find the Freeform tool. This will allow us to create a shape with a little bit more interest. Then I'll add my standard green that I've used with all my literacy assignments. Next, we're going to add a title. I like KG fonts and AG fonts. This one is KG All of Me. You can get Kimberly Guesswin fonts, I hope I said that right, from dafont.com. And you can buy single licenses from TPT if you plan to sell your products. Our next step is to add our instructions for our students. Here I used AG, nope, not today. You can find Amy Grosbeck fonts on Teachers Pay Teachers too. Our next element to add is a place to place our audio clip, if that's what you want to do. Boom has a black audio icon that can be placed on your Boom cards. To do this, I'm just going to insert a circle from the Shape toolbar. Little tip, if you click on the Shift key while you drag your mouse out, you'll end up with a perfect circle. The last element I want to add is a place to put my sight words. I work with older kids, so I'm going to give them 5 word choices. I'm going to add 5 rectangles as placeholders. Go to Insert, Shapes, and select the rectangle. Create your first rectangle. We're going to change the shape fill to white. Then change the shape outline to green. Then click on the little arrow on Shape Outline and change the weight to 3 points. Let's duplicate this 4 times. To do that, select it, and on a Mac, click Command+D, and on a PC, Control+D. Next, we're going to align the rectangles so they look neat and tidy on the page. Usually I move the top one where I want it, and then I move a bottom one where I want it too, and then we're going to clean it up. Now we're going to select all 5 shapes. You can do this with your mouse, or you can click on them one at a time while holding Shift. From the Shape Format tab, go to Align. Select Align Left. Next, go back to the Align and click Align Vertically. Boom! Neat and tidy. While the rectangles are still selected, you can move them around on your page so that they look a little nicer too. I'm going to add one more visual element, and I'm going to put an arrow right over here so that the kids can see where I want them to click. We're going to Insert, Picture, from File, and then navigate to where you have your clip art saved. And then we're going to insert it. Our last and final step is making it into an image that we're going to be able to use as our background in our boom cards. To do this, go to File, Export. We're going to select PNG. Then we're going to click on Current Slide Only. You're going to name your file and you're going to find a place to save it on your hard drive. Make sure you change your settings from down here to a width of 2,840 centimeters and a height of 2,029. Then click Export. That's pretty much it for creating the backgrounds for boom cards. In the next video, I'll show you how to make them interactive in Boom Learning. Click subscribe so you'll be notified when I do. Thanks for watching.